Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Here we are with Kawasaki kaze. I have already started to tune it. I have repaired the electrical line, how you see. I repaired the coil line, make it the connectors, how you see. Clean it up the carburetor. Upgraded the fire room. So now I'm just repairing the tail light line, and after I will modify the CDI. Welcome back guys. I have just repaired the tail light line, so now I just need to isolate to fix that old line, how you see. After that I have just to modify the CDI. Yep, see you in the next video. Subscribe my channel and activate the ring for not losing the new updates on the channel. So see you in the next video. Bye.